This is gonna be a fun video. I'm finally bringing my attention to the drag strip. That part's gonna be really fun to watch. But firstly, Phearable and I are teaming up. We're giving away a tune. And if you don't already know, Phearable recently launched the tune for the non-SI 1.5. So that's the EXT and the Sport. So the 174 horsepower Civic and the 180 horsepower one. So he has a tune for those, CVT and manual. So whoever wins the giveaway, you can choose depending on your car. So in order to enter, we're gonna have you like this picture right here that Phearable's gonna post, follow them on Instagram as well, and lastly, you need to comment down below on this video. You need to comment with what year Civic you have, whether you have the Ktuner version 1.2 or the version 2, and also what modifications you currently have on your car, just because I'm curious. And then what I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna give this 7 days, and then next week I'll do a live stream where I will randomly, I'll put all these entries into a website that randomly shuffles all the entries, all the comments on this video, and it'll pick a winner that way. Okay, so do all those 3 things, and I'll see you at the live stream next week. Obviously, more videos in between now and then, but enjoy the video. Tonight, we are drag racing at Sacramento Raceway. Dakota's here. He's gonna be vlogging this as well. Oh, yeah, they're already going. Holy crap, there's a lot of cars here. Oh my God, there's some old RX-7s. Oh yeah, this is gonna be fun.
Hi.
Good evening.
You racing?
I am.
Alright. Be $20.
Dude, I'm probably gonna be one of the slowest cars here. It's all right though. That's all right.
What's up, dude?
What's up?
You ready? Yeah. So,
I guess you're gonna have to teach me how to launch this thing.
don't launch on boost. So I don't leave on boost. So do you? What tune are you running? Are you running
Phearable.
Phearable?
Yeah.
How does his two-step sound? Is it pop, or is it just kind of?
Haven't tried it. What RPM do you launch at?
About 23.
I'll just do that then.
Okay.
So I'll just hold it there, and then just drop the clutch.
Pretty much.
Do you like drop yours?
Yeah.
Okay.
But I'm also running the upgraded clutch, so.
Yeah. All right.
Drop it down to like 25 and see.
All right, so I'm gonna run in, well, I'm not gonna run. I'm gonna sit in the passenger seat of Dakota. He's gonna do a pass. And then in the meantime, we're gonna let my car cool off. I'm gonna go after that. There's so many cool cars here, man. This is packed tonight. Awesome.
Hey, there's a gutted Type R right there.
That red one?
Yeah, it's all gutted.
So with me in the car, what do you expect us to get?
Maybe 14s?
Damn. I need a Corvette, dude. Fuck, I need a Corvette.
I bogged it.
Well, that was fun.
I bogged it so bad out of the hole.
What does that mean?
It dropped RPMs. I needed to launch higher.
Well, what RPM would you wanted to have launched at?
Well, I had it set at 22. I probably should have launched it probably about 26.
Okay.
So, I don't know yet. Plus, I still have my traction control on. Yeah, 5.2 already.
Okay. I mean, oh, you know what I noticed with Phearable? Oh, here, I'll let you do this.
Awesome, thank you. I had a 2.6 60. A mile an hour at 100, which is what I ran my 13.8 at. So
Okay.
I'm probably gonna let it cool down. Go out there, probably drop the tire pressure a little bit more, raise the RPMs on my launch, and figure out what the hell I'm doing with my traction control.
Well, we waited like an hour in line. So I'm gonna do map 2 of Phearable, 22 PSI, and to me it feels just as strong. It feels exactly the same as map 3. My IAT is a little hot, it's 118. IAT2, that's the intercooler temps, that's 107. It's because we're sitting, which doesn't help. On the way here, I got an emission system problem, which I guess it's just because it's P0240. That's the code. It's no big deal. It's just because I have the aftermarket downpipe. The O2 sensor is reading that more air is coming through than it should because it's a high flow cat. So Dakota just asked if we could run each other.
He wants to race his buddy real quick. You guys got right.
Holy shit. Holy shit, that supercharged Jeep just ran at 10.231.
Windows up.
That was sweet. Wow. I will be doing that again. Dude, that was so much fun. I want to know what my time slip was. Probably like a 14.5 or something. My shifting was not that great. So from 3rd to 4th, I did a no lift shift, which I redlined. My first couple shifts, it's like a really loud knocking sound. Would anyone please tell me what the hell that is? Is that just the clutch like slamming onto the, like, what is that? What is that sound? That clunk? I don't like that sound. Thank you. What was I? 14.345 at 102 miles an hour. All right. That's pretty good. What was that 60 foot? 60 foot was 2.348, so that's not very good.
Your Phearable tune is better than the TSP. You're pulling away from me on top of it. Dude. Bro, I ran faster on base maps than the TSP tune.
Wonder why.
And I've got better, I don't know.
You should get the Phearable tune. That was fun though.
Dude, that was fun. That was a lot of fun.
Dude, what is that?
You beat me.
What is that though when I'm shifting and it's like that clunk sound? What is that?
It's just grinding. It's not grinding gears, it's just grabbing it hard. You're just kind of forcing it in there.
I don't like that sound.
It's not necessarily bad on it. I was hitting 26 pounds of boost. 26.3.
Were you on map 3?
Yeah.
I was on map 2 of Phearable.
Oh really?
Yeah.
Holy shit. Alright, well, now I gotta go to John Vega and be like, hey.
Dude, John made such a good tune, man. It feels so good. This is actually good for Phearable's sake, because at the beginning of this video, I announced we're doing a Phearable Stage 1 tune giveaway.
Bro, you were pulling away from me in the top end.
I'll have to go back and... Did you record it?
Yeah, I was recording front cam.
I honestly don't even know what RPM I launched at. I was like, oh fuck, it's already going, and I just hit the throttle and just went.
Yeah. See, I might just be trying to launch mine.
So the reaction time, 0.794, is that bad?
When you're doing time stuff like this, and you're just trying to break a time, it doesn't matter, because it's not gonna affect your actual time.
What is a good reaction time?
0.000.
Dude, I wish somebody could have recorded that from behind us.
I should have gave my buddy a phone.
Yeah, that would have been cool. I might bring my 9th gen next week.
Yeah, that'd be fun.
Just for fun. I might get a Corvette. We'll see. If I can't get a Type R at MSRP, I literally refuse to pay over MSRP. So
yeah.
if I can't find one at MSRP, I'll get a Corvette.